In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect UniSwap to Phantom. We'll start by getting Phantom set up in your browser so it's ready to pair with UniSwap smoothly and securely. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Phantom Wallet. Look for the official result that says Phantom, the crypto wallet for everyone with the URL phantom.com. This is important. Only use the official site to avoid fake downloads or phishing pages. Click through to phantom.com, then select Download. You'll see options for browser extensions and mobile apps. Choose the platform you prefer. In this walkthrough, I'll use Chrome so we can quickly connect to web apps like UniSwap. Click the Chrome option to open the Chrome Web Store listing, then click Add to Chrome. When prompted, confirm by selecting Add Extension and wait for the installation to complete. You'll see a confirmation once it's finished. Next, pin the Phantom extension so it's easy to access. Click the puzzle icon in Chrome, find Phantom, and click the pin. Open the extension to start setup. If you're new to Phantom, choose Create a New Wallet. Create a strong password for locking the extension on your device, and be sure to securely write down your secret recovery phrase. Store it offline in more than one safe place and never share it with anyone. If you already have a wallet, choose I already have a wallet and carefully enter your recovery phrase in the correct order, then complete the import. Once inside Phantom, consider enabling helpful security settings like auto lock and check that the networks you plan to use are available. Phantom supports multiple chains, including Ethereum and others used by Uniswap, so you'll be able to interact with the right network when you need it. At this point, your Phantom wallet is installed, secured, and ready to connect. When you're ready to use Uniswap, open the Uniswap website in your browser, click Connect Wallet, choose Phantom, and approve the connection in the extension. From there, your wallet address will appear on Uniswap, and you can manage permissions directly in Phantom whenever needed. That's it. You searched for the official Phantom site, installed the Chrome extension, created or imported your wallet safely, and prepared it for a smooth connection with Uniswap. Keep your recovery phrase offline and private, double-check URLs before you connect, and you'll be set up for a safer DeFi experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.